Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Like Grandpa, huh?
Yes. Exactly.
Ed, you've been teaching him these moves? Where's
No,
he
he
get these
watches
things?
all the DreamWorks movies. He gets the
I have to
moves
get
from that
stuff
show.
in my car. I have a shower gift for you in the car.
You do. Look, Emma wants to dance with you.
Emma's copying your moves.
Yeah, just don't let him knock you over.
Getting tired. Oh, there we go. Now.
Just watch the table.
My table's broke.
I gotta use the upstairs. One. I'm gonna run
She usually copies.
She thinks you're funny.
Having a good time today.
Oh, Owen, look, your favorite song.
Gonna get her back here to do. Go that way.
Owen, come out here and dance.
Now, she don't want me to stop her.
Oh, watch your dance moves.